How to turn on save original post automatically on your storage space on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you go down and you open your profile here. Then you go to this three line and click. Then you go to settings and click again. Then you go to account and click. Then you go to down and click on original post. Then you go to the first option, save original post, and you will turn on this option by clicking at the right here and click like that, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel in up, and see you next video.